Today, I'll show you how to archive users and transfer data in Google Workspace. This is especially useful when someone leaves your organization and you want to secure their account, keep their data, and free up a license, all without permanently deleting anything right away. We'll walk through exactly what you need to click, what archived actually means, and a few tips to avoid losing important files or emails during the process. First, sign into your Google admin console with an account that has the right admin permissions. You need to be a super admin or have a role that can manage users. Once you're in the admin console homepage, look for the directory section. From there, click on users. This is where you'll see the full list of user accounts in your organization. Next, find the user you want to archive. You can scroll through the list or, more efficiently, use the search bar at the top to type in their name or email address. When you see the correct account, move over to the right side of that row and look for the More Options icon, usually shown as 3 vertical dots. Click on that More Options menu. From the drop-down that appears, choose the option that combines deleting the user, transferring their data, and archiving the account. The wording may look like delete user, transfer data, archive, or very close to that. The key is that you're not doing a simple delete. You're using the option that includes both data transfer and archiving in one flow. When you select this option, Google Workspace will guide you through a confirmation process. This is an important step, so take a moment to read what's on the screen. You'll typically be prompted to confirm which active user should receive the departing user's data. This can include things like drive files, documents, and possibly other resources tied to that account. Choose the destination account carefully. For example, you might send a manager's files to their replacement or to a shared team account that multiple people can access. Make sure that account is active and has enough storage for whatever you're transferring. After you've reviewed the information and set the data transfer destination, confirm the action. This is usually done by clicking a confirmation button, such as confirm or delete and transfer. Once you confirm, Google Workspace will begin the process in the background. Depending on how much data the user has, the transfer can take some time, so don't worry if it's not instant. When the process completes, the user account will no longer function as an active user. Instead, its status will change to archived. You can verify this by going back to the users list in the directory and checking the status column for that account. An archived user cannot sign in, and you're no longer paying for that user's license, but the account record and its association to the transferred data remain preserved in your admin environment. Archiving in this way gives you a balance of security, cost savings, and data retention. You've removed access from the person who left, kept their emails and files available for the right people, and maintained a clean, compliant user list. That's all you need to do to archive users and transfer their data in Google Workspace. By following these steps each time someone leaves, you'll keep your organization's information safe and organized without losing anything important.